Hello everyone, this is second video on direct and inverse variation. In previous video discussed what were direct variation and some problems based on direct variation. I would like to revise the direct variation for you so that it would become more clear to you. So dear student, last video discussed what were direct variation. If two quantities are related in such a way that if first increase, then the second also increase, then we say that the two quantities are in direct variation. They are related by directly in direct variation or directly proportional. For example, number of students if increase in any school, then the requirement of teachers is also increase. That means as number of students will more, the teachers will also require more. Therefore they are directly related, they are in direct variation. Second one, the time taken. If you travel for more time, then you will cover the more distance. Therefore it is also a case of direct variation. Similarly, if number of apples or quantity of apples will be more, their weight will also goes on increasing. And if the quantity of apples will be less, then weight of apples will also increase. Therefore, if first increase, then also second also increases, then we say that they are in direct variation. Or if first decrease, then second also decrease, then also they are said to be in direct variation. And we observed that if the two quantities are in direct variation, then ratio of two quantities is a constant value. And we seen in last video, it is called constant of variation. The ratio is constant, that means ratio of first by second quantity is constant value, that we represented by k, and derived formula for x1 when x1 y1 equal to x2 by y2. Let us take one or two examples. A car travels 120 km in 3 hours. Then find how much distance will it travel in 4 hours. First we have to find here the two quantities which are related or which are in variation. So we see here a car travels 120 km. That means kilometer, unit of distance. Therefore there is a relation between distance and time. Car travels 120 km in 3 hours. So first quantity is distance and another quantity is time. Distance and time. And between these two quantities we can easily observe, the more time you will travel, more distance you will travel. That means if increase in time, then distance also increase. Therefore it is clearly a case of direct variation, and you prepare such a chart of two quantities. First I have taken time and second one is distance. Now from the question you find that in 3 hours it travels 120 km, and in second case we have to find the distance traveled in 4 hours. Therefore in such a way you prepare first a whole chart, and you can assume first quantity x, second quantity y, and these are x1, x2, y1, y2. Since these two quantities are in direct variation, therefore x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Put the values, cross multiply them, and solve it, we get y2 equal to 160. That means we arrived an answer that the car will travel 160 km in 4 hours. Okay. Let us take one more example. 75 basketballs costs rupees 1143.75 rupees. Then find the cost of 26 basketballs. Let us find the two quantities here also. First is basketball and second quantity is their cost. So we prepared a chart. First is basketball, second is its cost. So in the first question, from the question, from the first case, you observe that the 75 basketballs cost 1143.75 rupees, and we have to find the cost. We have to find the cost for 26 basketballs. And these two quantities are related in which manner? So we can easily assume more basketballs. If there will be more basketballs, you will buy more basketballs. You have to pay much cost. Therefore, more basketballs implies higher cost. Here in basketballs increases, the cost also increases. Therefore, it is also a case of direct variation. And we can apply x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Put the values x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2, and on solving we get 396.50 rupees. That is the cost of 26 balls. Cost of 26 balls will be 396.50. And that's all. I think this topic has been more clear to you, and on the above discussion you will get some assignment, solve it and get signed by your parents.